Hello guys, welcome to PyUPy, and today we'll be seeing that how we can actually install Python on our system. So I'll go to the browser, then I'll type Python download. So this is the official website of Python, which is python.org. So as per this recording, the latest version of Python is 3.8.5, but if you want any previous version, then you can actually scroll down below and you will see the list of previous versions of Python. This is the list of previous versions of Python, and you can actually download any one of them using the corresponding buttons right here. These all are the previous versions of Python, but as of now I'll be downloading the latest version, which is 3.8.5. so I click on this and then save file, and it is getting downloaded. So as of now I may pause the video. Okay, so it has been downloaded, and if I navigate to the download section, I should find the setup. So this is the setup which I've just downloaded. So I'll install this by doing a right click on it and clicking on run as admin, and then click on yes. Okay, so this is the installation wizard of Python. It is having two options: install now and customize installation. So first I'll check this customize installation option. Okay, the next. Okay, so as of now I'll be going with this install now option, which is already having the default Python location. We have a concept of virtual environment, so we'll be creating virtual environments in the further videos. So we may actually face some issues if we download Python in a separate folder than this particular folder. So I will strongly recommend you to go with this particular folder only. So we'll be going with this particular folder, okay, which says C users and then my PC name and then app data and so and so. Apart from this, we can actually see a very important setting over here which says add Python 3.8 to path. So if I'll not check this option, then I would have to manually add the Python's path in the computer's environment variables. But if I click on this particular option, then it would automatically add the Python's path in the environment variables. Okay, so let me show you what I mean. So let's say I click I navigate to CMD and I type notepad, then it opens notepad for me. Similarly, if I type calc, then it opens this calculator for me. Okay, so these are basically the shortcuts for the system utilities. Okay, but what about this word Python? It says Python is not recognized. Okay, because Python is not a built-in utility. Okay, we actually have to manually install it. Okay, so what I'll do is okay, let me show you the path as well, environment variables. So this PC and then properties, advanced system settings, environment variables. So we can see that under user variables we only have these two paths, these two variables, temp and tmp. So this is the path where we actually have to manually add the Python's path, and then only this Python command will be recognized. So what I'll do is, I want that the system should do this automatically. So what I'll do is, I'll just select this option and I'll click on install now, and it will start installing Python on my system. So again I may pause the video. Okay, so Python has been installed on our system. I'll close this, and now we'll check the environment variables of the system. Properties, advanced system settings, environment variables. Okay, so as you can see that now a variable with the name path has been added automatically by the system, and the path of Python is attached to it. So this is the path. So these are basically two paths. Okay, so one path is of the scripts folder, and the second path is of the Python's interpreter. So this is possible because we have selected that option of add Python 3.8 to path. Okay, and now I'll show you the physical location of this particular path. This is this PC, C drive, and then users, and then Dosha, and then okay, the app data folder is actually hidden, in which the Python resides. So I'll go to app data, and in that local, and then programs and Python 38. Okay, so this is the folder where Python resides, and this is the Python's interpreter. Okay, so this path, let me highlight the path. This path was added by the system automatically, and this is what I wanted. Okay, and the second path is of the scripts folder, which is here. Okay, this is for for working of pip, like we'll be using this pip command to install Python packages. Okay, so now what I'll do is, I'll once again open the command prompt, and now I will type Python, and yes, it's working. Okay, so let's test some short program. Let's say 4 plus 5, so it's giving me 9. Okay, so it's working perfectly. So this way we can actually install Python on our system. So thank you so much guys for joining, and bye.